The Windows 11 startup sound not working bug is incredibly frustrating, but we're going to fix your Windows 11 startup sound not working bug right now. First, we need to access the sound settings to ensure the feature is even enabled. Go into Personalization, then Themes, and finally click on Sound Settings. Make absolutely sure that the Play Windows Startup Sound box is checked, then click Apply and OK. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions, which brings us to method 2, restarting the audio services. Press Ctrl for Shift-S to open Task Manager, navigate to the Services tab, and find both Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click each one and select Restart, then click OK. Sometimes, outdated or corrupted drivers are the culprit, leading us to method 3. Open Device Manager, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device, select Update Driver, and choose to search automatically. After the update, restart your PC. If the problem persists, we'll run a system file check using method 4. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type cfcs scan now and press enter. This scans and repairs corrupted system files that might be preventing the startup sound from playing. Once the scan completes, restart your computer one final time to see if the startup sound is back.